Imagine standing on a highway on a cold, foggy night. The distant cars don't just look dim, their colors appear altered, paralyzed. Are the cars actually moving away from you? Or is the medium they are traversing exhausting their energy? For decades, we've been told the universe expands like an exploding balloon, and that redshift is the stretching of space itself. But in our model, the universe is not a hot balloon. It is inherently transparent and cold. Redshift is not evidence of a runaway universe. It is evidence of decoupling. Light gets tired. It loses energy during its long journey. What we perceive as red is the cry of exhausted light. Old physics was imprisoned in the duality of mass and gravity. When they saw high velocities without finding enough mass, they invented dark matter. But the truth lies in acceleration. At the edges of the galaxy, it is the acceleration that activates gravity through the coupling parameter. We don't need ghost matter. We just need to understand that gravity is a dynamic process that awakens with acceleration. If the universe is expanding in every direction, why is our neighbor, Andromeda, approaching us? Traditional science invents local excuses, but logic says Andromeda is the reality and distant expansion is an optical illusion. The universe is in a state of return to the center, a great crunch. We are not scattering into the void, we are returning to the core. Why doesn't light escape a black hole? It's not just because gravity crushes it, but because matter there has exceeded the speed of light by far. Light has become too slow compared to the acceleration of the event. The dark matter they seek exists physically, but it moves with an acceleration that pushes it beyond the detection limits of our instruments. We are blind, not in an empty universe. The 13.8 billion years is not the age of existence. It is the age of this pulse, this cycle. We live in a cyclic universe where redshift is merely a loss of coupling, a decoupling during the return to the center. In this transparent and cold universe, matter doesn't disappear. It accelerates behind the veil of light. As children of this universe, it is our natural right to meditate and doubt rigid constants. True science doesn't invent imaginary substances to fill the gaps of its ignorance. It has the courage to redefine the laws. The universe is calling us. Are we ready to see?